This is the M4 Vlog Selfie monitor, magnetic wireless. So we have a little wireless thing. So what do you use this for? So I want to use the higher end lens on the back of the camera. That's your highest quality one instead of the one that's in the back. So how do you solve this problem? So I want to be able to see myself while I'm filming so that I got the right frame and make sure that I'm staying in frame. So this is a solution for it right here. It does come with the manual, of course. You should read it, and it's got two magnetic rings. Now you can connect the magnetic rings, or you should say you can use them by taking off the little sticky part, putting it on the back of your phone like this, or your case, depends on how you want to use it, and then the monitor part will stick like this right to the back of it, and then you'll be able to see yourself right here. But let me show you how to settle this up right now. Let's take this off for the moment. Okay, to charge it, you have two USB-C ports right here. You also have your power button right here. This is the menu button, and then you have brightness for the screen right here, and then you also have the Bluetooth enabled for the connection to be made. You also have some information here. Okay, it kind of gives you mobile Wi-Fi can be connected to the internet while casting the screen, so there won't be any interruptions. You don't have to worry about that. Support for 4K Ultra high definition, and you can also have low latency, so you're going to be doing this in real time. So let's remove this back part to reveal the monitor itself. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so there it is. All right, now we're going to pair it via Bluetooth to the phone. So the way we do that, we're going to turn on the phone and we're going to enable our Bluetooth. So let me do that now. You're going to press the power button, wait for it to come on, and there's giving you the instructions, and it works for either iPhone and Android. All right, so we're going to scan for it, and we're going to do this little red button to enable the Bluetooth part of it right here. And then we're going to wait for it to show up on our Bluetooth devices. So let's press and hold that and wait for it to pop up on the phone. All right, so in order to use it for the first time, you want to go into your settings. So here's the settings right there. So when you press that, you can just go up here, and you're just going to keep pushing this until you get to, see that, the Bluetooth, and you're going to turn it on. So to turn it on, you're just going to push the button here. So you're going to press this middle button to turn on the Bluetooth right there. And we're just going to return. We're going to return by hitting this button down here. You're going to press that again. All right, so now we're going to scan for the Bluetooth M4 BT. Okay, so that's what we want. On Android, it's pairing. And you want to pair, you want to say yes. Okay, so give it a second. Now it's paired, it's connecting. And we should see our screen pop up in a few seconds here. Okay, once it's done, it's connected. Okay, and then let's now we can control the screen with the little buttons on the back here. All right, so let's go into the screencasting part of it. All right, now that you're connected via Bluetooth, we want to go to the Smart View right here on your Android phone. You're just gonna toggle it down. You're gonna swipe down till you get to this menu, and you're gonna do Smart View. Okay, once we do that, it's going to show you a little list of what we got. So here's the M488D, which is what I'm holding in my hand. Start mirroring Smart View. You got to say yes, start now. Okay, and that's going to connect. So let's just give it a second. All right, so there it is. There is, once we open up the camera, we can see that we can now use our back screen instead of the front viewing screen at 4K resolution, which is nice. And you can just mimic all the things that you're doing, right on the little monitor itself. Okay, so that's pretty awesome to have that option. So now you can control this, and then you can also, when you turn it around, this is exactly how it'll work. We're able to see ourselves on the screen just like that. So now we're able to use the 4K resolution of the camera, and you see how that is working pretty well. It's capturing my voice. It's very low latency, nothing nothing major right there. You can also see. This is not a touch screen, by the way, so it's not like you can touch it, and it's not gonna do. You gotta do it from the actual phone itself before you can start to record. So now you have that. There it is. That's what it will look like. So let me film a quick video so you can see exactly what it looks like when we're demonstrating this. So let's hit record button. So yeah, we are now looking at the M4 block selfie monitor. We have set it up using Android, and we are doing a mirror cast. So this is exactly what it looks like. So if you're wondering if this is possible, so this is now possible with this device, it works really well. And you can also use it while live streaming. So if you're live streaming via YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, wherever, it's not going to interrupt the signal, and you'll still be able to see yourself perfectly on there. All right, so we stopped the recording, and now we can just take a look at it. I'm going to put it on the screen, but that's exactly how it works. And let me take it off so we can go back to seeing, what it looks like if you were holding it like this. So it's mirroring everything, and if you were to turn it around, it's also going to mirror the back camera as well, which is not the higher resolution. We can just turn that, and there it is. So yeah, block selfie monitor by M4.